Sarasuda Vavuduvu, Jana Vavuduvu, Iravaina Panulu,
Namaste. It is 2022 and we are in Tamrapatra session 7.
Sambhoga Sringara. Now that is one aspect that we are always hesitant to take up. And, there is always some kind of a hesitation attached to understanding how to approach the idea. So you can see how the entire Sankirtana can be interpreted from the purely Sambhoga point of view or from the purely philosophical point of view. And that is the beauty of how Annamacharya, manipulates the words, the phrases, the imageries to bring out multiple connotations.
It's now my turn to invite Geeta Chandran, our invited choreographer.
I think there's so many layers in every piece that Annamacharya offers to us. It's a great opportunity that Tamrapatra has provided to each one of us to explore at least one and then probably pave the way to do many more Annamacharyas. I really respect what Anupama did of bringing in other poems by Annamacharya, because I think that's very important. So it's not just a piece that you pick up and do, but it is a whole, I think it's, these people's lives have been so special and they've been so extraordinary. So, you need to link all these things. The Sakhi really has a lot of privileges. She is entitled to do many things that you might think others cannot do. Sarasuda Vavuduvu. There can be nobody like you. Sarasuda Vavuduvu. Little drop of the lips. Jana, very clever. I know your clever ways. Jana Vavuduvu. Nidane, you are the one. This is a movement from the spine. It's not a movement that is done from here. So the involvement in Abhinaya comes when every part of the body is offered and every part of the body is used. Jana vavudu, jane bich jati hain.
Annamacharya is the only Telugu poet for whom there is a separate dictionary. We have, there is a dictionary called the Annamaya Padakosham, which is available in the, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's, their outlets.
Chittamu Santa Samalde Chittamu Santa Samande.
She just takes a turn and this whole Srishti after all is you. Very kalano. So that epiphanatic moment even for the Sakhi, where she realizes, after all, whom am I talking about? Whatever you say, you can't take out Sringara from the bhakti aspect. Here it just comes. I adore you. She also adores the Lord. So, that element of her own admiration and her own surrender comes there, because musically it is just so soulful there.
Santa Samande
So I first want to say a huge bouquet of kudos to you and to Anupama for having devised it like this, because being, as a teacher of art and theatre in the university, I know how much pedagogy becomes very important. And I saw how you're doing this with your notes, with all the texts and meanings, and doing it in stages with the conversations and the 2 days. and the generosity, the rigor, the research that has gone into it, the trust that you have gained, have given us some of these absolutely amazing established artists to give so magnanimously, so generously. I mean, Geeta, that was absolutely brilliant, and all the artists who went before her in so many sessions. And that's extremely rare in this world of dance, to be able to let young people or anyone who wants to come into your process.
Geeta ji, thank you for teaching this wonderful padam. I'm already sweating actually. Chamatale vastundi appadi nunchi.
Sarasuda Vavuduvu Jana Vavuduvu Iravaina Panulu Meriddariki Tagunu Sarasuda Vavuduvu Jana Vavuduvu Meru Iddariki Tagunu